High Five lists 5 amazing facts about ancient Egypt. Welcome to our journey through time. Ancient Egypt, one of the world's most fascinating civilizations, left behind mysteries and wonders that still amaze us today. Here are the top 5 incredible facts about ancient Egypt. Hidden secrets of the pyramids. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built over 4,500 years ago, still holds secrets. Scientists recently discovered hidden chambers using advanced scanning technology. What could be inside? That remains a mystery. World's first peace treaty. Did you know Egypt was one of the first civilizations to sign a peace treaty? The Treaty of Kadesh, signed between Egypt and the Hittites in 1259 BCE, marked a historic moment of diplomacy that set an example for future generations. Where did Queen Nefertiti go? Queen Nefertiti, one of Egypt's most famous rulers, mysteriously disappeared from historical records. Some believe she ruled as a pharaoh, while others think her tomb is still hidden somewhere. Could her secrets be uncovered one day? Ancient beauty with a purpose. Ancient Egyptians loved their makeup, but it wasn't just for beauty. The black eyeliner, or kohl, protected their eyes from the sun and even had antibacterial properties. Talk about fashion with function. Secrets of the afterlife. Ancient Egyptians believed in life after death and created the Book of the Dead, a collection of spells to guide the deceased in the afterlife. These texts were written on papyrus and placed in tombs for protection on their journey beyond. What ancient Egyptian fact amazed you the most? Comment below. Ancient Egypt continues to fascinate us with its incredible history and mysteries. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing history facts.